This is a video on how to download and use Kotobee Reader. In viewing the ebooks available in the Learning Resource Portal, we need to have Kotobee Reader installed in our devices. To download Kotobee Reader on your desktop, follow these steps. Step 1. Open your web browser, then type Kotobee Reader and click the first result. Step 2. Scroll down and click on the Downloads tab, where you will see the different Kotobee Reader versions. Click on what is suitable for your device and your download will reflect below on the Downloads bar. Step 3. Once the file is downloaded, go to your Downloads folder and install the file. Step 4. Now you're all set. You can now use Kotobee Reader to open your .epub or .kpub files. All you have to do is launch the application and click on the Open EPUB file option to open the ebook of your choice. Or, you can just simply click on the file and set Kotobee Reader as the default app to use for opening .epub or .kpub files. Again, the steps are: Kotobee Reader also has a mobile app that you can download on your mobile phones or tablets. Just go to the App Store or Play Store and search for Kotobee Reader. Click on the first result and click Download. You now have Kotobee Reader on your phone. Similar to the computer app, just click on the file of the ebook and choose Kotobee Reader as the default application in opening .epub or .kpub files.